I'm using 3 strands for the pistol stitch, and I'm going to start it out just like a French knot. But instead of going back down where I came up, I'm going to stretch out and insert the needle about 1/2 inch away. Keeping the tension tight with my opposite hand, I'm going to pull the needle through the fabric and then let go at the last second. So coming up through the fabric, I hold my thread tight with my left hand, go around it 2 times with my needle, and then insert my needle at the little dot. Now, before I go down in, I'm going to show you that if you pull with your left hand, you can slide your needle to the length you need it to be. The left hand tension is keeping the wrap tight on your needle, and then you insert it where you want it to be and slowly let go. So it kind of creates a French knot with a straight tail. So after you wrap your needle, try sliding your needle around, keeping the tension tight with your left hand, and you'll be able to see how you can control where the knot ends up.